What is financial management? Financial management is the process of planning, organizing, and controlling your financial resources. It's about making the most of what you have so you can achieve your financial goals. This process includes activities like budgeting, investing, and risk management. Financial management is crucial for both individuals and businesses, as it helps them make informed decisions about their money. For individuals, financial management means creating a budget, saving for retirement, paying off debt, and investing for the future. For businesses, financial management involves managing cash flow, preparing financial statements, and making strategic financial decisions. Regardless of whether you are an individual or a business, financial management requires a solid understanding of financial concepts, such as budgeting, investing, and risk management. Working with a financial advisor can help you navigate the complexities of financial management and make informed decisions that align with your goals and values. So, what is financial management? It's a critical process that empowers individuals and businesses to achieve their financial goals and build a secure future.